Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. If you are returning to my channel, welcome back. I know it's been a hot minute, but today we have I'm upside down, you guys, I'm sorry. We have two unboxings today, and I have the new box from the Happy Planner, Happy Box Bloom. Okay, I'll put the name on the screen because I forgot the name. I have been moving, you guys. That's why I haven't uploaded any videos, and I am rusty, I have to tell you. So I have these two boxes right here. So let's start unboxing. This is the Happy Planner anniversary box. This is their 5th year anniversary. And what is the name? I forgot. All right, so I am upside down just because I feel like this is the only way that I can truly just open everything up. So, okay, now I ordered this box the day that it came out, okay? So that was last week on Thursday. And it came to me the following day. It took one day to get here. So let's see what the name is. Oh, okay. This is the little bloom box. So it was super fast shipping, like the fastest I have ever seen. Now, I am going to be 100% honest with you. I was not planning on buying this box. I'm gonna go into a no buy for August for several reasons, and maybe on a plan with me I'll let you know why. But the main reason why I purchased this box is because of this. These are the black metal disc in the classic size. I've been wanting this disc since I found out about the Happy Planner. And they don't sell them on their own, by themselves, or they hardly ever put them in any of their planners. So I wanted to take a picture, but now it's not gonna work. Oh well. All right. Here they are. They are so cute. They feel kind of light, maybe. So now for this set, you have 11. So you can use this disc for your mini, for your classic, and for your big, which is great. So this is the main reason why I purchased this box. I do love the black and white and the gold. It's one of my favorite combinations. So I'm happy about the books. But I have a lot of things right now. So here is the functional and the florals. Now there's a tiny book also. And this one is florals. Now, Joanne had the storage boxes extremely cheap. They had them for under $4, you guys. So this box comes with another one, which, let me take it. So this is the storage box that comes with it. And this one is cardboard. This is not fabric like the other. Well, I'll do a comparison with the other ones I have. I really don't know where they are. Now, this box right here, I purchased from Joanne Fabrics. They had this online and they had it for 40, I think it was 40% off. I'm pretty sure it was 40% off. So I snatched this. I didn't purchase this when it first came out because I knew that we're gonna have it at Joann's. So I'm gonna try not to tear the paper. So I tore the paper and the sticker. All right, I'm definitely gonna use this paper for a craft. So here is what's inside. We're not gonna look. And let me take everything out of this box. Okay, so I took everything out of the box. All right, so now let's see what we have. So I was telling you, I didn't purchase this when it came out and it sold out like that. But I knew because Joann's, they had the Amy Tangerine box on sale, 40% off. They had purchased the Teresa Collins Happy Box, 40% off as well. And I just had a feeling that this one was gonna be available there too. So it comes with a tote, which is fabric. It's actually really nice. And it has foil. So that's that. I don't know if I'm gonna use that or maybe give it away, but we'll see. It comes with a patch. It comes with some cards, which I have so many birthdays in August, so I'm sure I can use this. Perfect. All right. I was not too excited about this pencil case, but it's actually pretty cute. Yeah, I'll use it, or I'll give it to my daughter for her makeup or whatnot. Now this I really wanted. I don't have a band, and this one, it's a pencil holder too, or a pen holder. So excited about that. Now the stickers. Oh, there's one page in particular that I wanted. So let's go through this real quick. I hope that you can see that. I think I'm pretty close to the screen, but look at that. Oh, leopard boxes, half boxes, full boxes, washi. Oh, so good. Look at that. This is for the dashboard. Those hearts are beautiful on the disc. Oh, brown. These ones are clear. Tabs are pretty. And there you go, the alphabet. Ah, these are so pretty. Love that. Okay. So I love the stickers, I can tell you that. Now, this one, I was inspired by this particular item to create my own. And I have a video of how I made my own, so I can post it there, right there. Okay? If you want to see the DIY. So this is the a notepad, double-sided, attached to a dashboard, and this is the plastic. So I am guessing when you take this off, I'm gonna probably take it off. Most likely you can reuse the dashboard. So beautiful. We have some filler paper. Oh, this is daily priorities. Okay. Oh, this is awesome. You can actually make your own daily. Okay, how many pages are here? Let's see. Oh, you can see I'm dropping everything on the floor. Okay. Oh, let me read it actually. Okay, so it comes with 60 sheets. So you can have, okay, if they're double, so you can have 30, so 30 double, that would be 60, so 15. You have 4 months here, you guys. You have 4 months of dailies. Oh, that is excellent. Oh, I'm gonna add this to my planner for August. And then I can try the daily life. I don't have a daily planner, so that I'm gonna make that my daily planner. We have some tabs that we can add to that. We have some, so we have more stickers here. Okay, and the final item is a Happy Notes. It has the clear disc. They're mini disc in gold. So there you go. You have 3 tabs here. You probably have 60 pages here, most likely. And is dotted grid. So, oh, let me see. I'm gonna open and see what the tabs look like. So you have gold and gray. You have the leopard print on the side, dotted grid, which is not a black. It's almost like a brown. You have this tab right here, beautiful. More dotted grid, leopard, and leopard. There's no labels here, so there's no months or anything. And then the inside, let's see, it's just square. Okay, so this is my unboxing, you guys. It's so quick. So this is the unboxing for my 2 happy boxes that I received last week, actually. So I had them for a while, but you're actually sitting on a hamper right now. And I'm just standing here in the middle of what's gonna be my craft room. So you know, you have to improvise sometimes. So okay, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up sideways, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.